Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So I've left all the noise in from yesterday, just so we can see the levels and what's going on. And you can see we basically just floated here. It does look like we're breaking up above 108258 at the moment. We'll look at that on the lower time frames. Look at the oscillators crossed over quite nicely, and a little bit of diversions here. You can see price making a low and oscillators making a high. So a very slight bit of diversions. And for me, this was a move up. This is the consolidation or flag that is forming. So we need to wait for the break of that and the retest before we look for the move up. We are waiting for the Feds today, so that's only going to happen much later tonight. So unless somebody has inside information that's really loading on the trades, we're probably just going to go sideways. So looking at the 3 hour, you can see beginning of the week, big fall, then a bit of diversions, almost like a double bottom. And as I said yesterday, big area of weekly support. And the bigger trend is, well, was looking to the upside. So that's something that you do need to pay attention to at the moment. And I'm not so keen on this structure. Let's just put another level in rather. So I'm not so keen on breaking this area that we're in now. I'd rather be a little bit safer, and I want to read a break of yesterday's high and a retest of it. So that would be a break and retest of 108361. If we can get that, then I would be looking for an opportunity to buy into this. But other than that, we are sitting quietly and just waiting to see what's going to transpire. You can see the chaos from yesterday. Nothing really to write home about. I mean, it's just a rejection of a much bigger level. But you can see above the moving averages, you would have expected a pullback onto 108258. This is also a weekly level, but look what happened here. It just plummeted straight through it. Anyway, I'm sit on hands. I'm not really interested in anything at the moment. I think it would be a wise decision just to wait and see what transpires. And that's only going to happen later tonight. So you'll probably only see some moves tomorrow that you can take in Forex. Anyway, that's kind of my view for today, sitting quietly and waiting. And we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.